Anywhere where you do, anything where you do, where they give you money in a good way, may Allah bless and give you. If you did there too, where you hate somebody, we don't want to make you still say your friend they move forward. Make you remember say Jah day with day, eh? If Allah bless you with some success way they look down upon people, remember Naira power them, then get money past you. Remember the owner of iPhone, you get money past you, he die, he go. You never even take Peswa. He buy yacht, he die, in girlfriend, in wife, in boyfriend, they enjoy for the yacht inside. So life, anything will come your way, whether not good or bad. If you be Muslim, then you say Alhamdulillah. If you be Christian, you must forgive thanks to God. This why no be fight. I finish, I go call you people live video. So because people they inbox me plenty say so. I go call you live video. You want share your mind, you go share. But after I finish talking, you understand me? The Ghana music industry, you know, be for nobody. It be for we all the Ghanaians. Anybody go fit do music. You understand me? Anybody, any corner you there, as far as you get money, you go fit go pay studio, pay engineer, make you record, you go fit do music. But they depend on the fans to listen to the music. If your song they jump, we go play. If you not go jump to somebody go fit do baller music. But God in blessing there the music top, then the music go do what? It go hit. You understand me? On them now. If you hear Daliti Nation, then they go say me, I know they like bandana. I they hate Shatawale. You know beside they hate Shatawale. Don't confuse yourself with the truth plus the lie. Anything I they talk about Shatawale be true, me I know they lie. I don't get to hate about Shatawale. Why? Because bandana in platform be different. Me, my platform be different. Me, I be hustler for America here. I they clean white people that might ask for money. So your brothers, then your sisters, then they America here. Your father, your aunties. They clean white people that might ask for America here, they get money. Bandana in they do music. So me, my field, then in field, it be different. You understand me? So I no go feel hate them. I be fan of musicians, they love music. Every musician you do shit, I they talk. You know, only bandana matter they talk. I they talk Stonebwoy, them matter so everybody. If your matter come here, I go talk, unless I know yeah. So if you dey SM or you dey Beam, where are they talk of something, where you might say why they talk of bandana, why they talk of this thing. See, make I tell you something. With all due respect to your mother, you don't understand me, so I go tell you. Me, I don't get time to give you. We always see some of the SM fans that they insult TikTok. Why TikTok go sit for radio top? He talk shit. You know be shit he talk. It be sense. What TikTok talk, it be sense towards bandana. By you, the Ghanaians, they forget things so early. You understand me? You people, they forget about, you Ghanaians, they forget things early. Who start all this talking? It be bandana where he start this talking. He go sit for delay. 2016. Bandana go sit for delay. Delay in TV show top. Where he insult Exdo, then TikTok them all. But you Ghanaians, you they forget so early. As TikTok can reply, you people bore. You understand me? I don't want to play what bandana talk. Make people listen. This is what bandana go talk for delay in show top.
Artists, you can make mention, I'll tell them. Most artists in the who are not like why, and also why no, I have a mess down in the software or yes, smart face. Oh no, we have seen like downfall a whole lot of artists. Like who? But maybe even.
You they listen to what bandana go talk for delay in show top. This is what bandana go talk. If you be fan of musician, don't just follow a leader. Listen to what bandana go talk for delay show top.
Yes, because yes. People like that, you know, let me tell you, I was like, no, it's a bold step. Let's just try and work on it. Don't see say hand the whole lot of youth.
Exdo was not a smart boy.
No, it wasn't. Not Exdo alone, like a whole lot of artists. You can make mention, I'll tell them. Most artists in the
who are not
like
like why, and also why I have a mess down in the software or yes, smart face.
Oh no, we have seen like downfall a whole lot of artists.
Like who?
But maybe if you mention, I'll tell you yes, because yes, people like that, you know, let me tell you, From
I be the year delay ask Samo, he say as though the things no be smart. When I ask her say who, then we say a whole lot of artists. When she say TikTok, where he say yes. You see where the things start to. Make I tell you something. God in blessing, they come in different way. You understand me? If you know, I go, yeah, if you be fan, you have the love musical. Tell me where Bandana in song, where he hit past Philomena Kwitinge. If you not say you know music inside, tell me where Bandana in song, where he hit past Philomena Kwitinge. The time TikTok come out plus Kangaroo, Eden Samini. Go check records. If you know music inside, go check records. You go see the hit where TikTok make. You understand me? So if then come for, make I tell you something, anything they happen for your life, anything where they go on for Bandana in life, it not be by his will or his power, it be Allah in blessed way they in top. So don't sit down then run your mouth, say somebody don't be smart, somebody don't be like what they happen for your life, you know. It be you they control them. You don't get power over your life. Oh. It be God where get power over your life. You understand me? So that be what you go. Where you go talk, you say don't be smart. Okay, fine. Where TikTok to go talk, listen to what TikTok talk. TikTok to get feelings. TikTok.
It is a woman a chance TikTok where you know okay, woe unto you, so my man, my head, and your money hit it. Because you see, I look at it. I am one year now, say, David Jones, me today. But for some reason, I think say a database. But make it be true. If you don't have proper database at home, we'll be sorry. No, we'll do the attack. So, would you be at them now or that's now not show? The sales away. That's not when it comes to music, it's about data. And nothing that hype I take you over now will be I'm not disrespect. Me not disrespecting me. Me ban come in carry you. But me ban me say my friend shut up, how many records do you sell? Good. How many albums do you have even to your parents? And then your shows are also just say show me by a contract. Good. Because before now me ban me can be me say me records. Because artists will be boosting records. Yeah. Boxer obe boosting records. Yeah. Everybody, your track record speaks for yourself. Yeah. And whether they disrespect you or not, we are still who you are. But now we'll be disrespectful now, man, because I'll be here. Obey that. Is that artists beat me continue TV soon? Who are disrespected say, we'll be our money advice and say anything we're useless. Oh, I mean, in modern Ghana. Wow. And that will say, oh, and then that same artist goes to the highest gentleman and they give him a key. Oh no, no, but you see that is that level of disrespect. Oh, okay. And Sana me said we should draw lines. Open so just Santa ko baby ko can say Obiama na futu na upon him. Oh, na say Urevi TV. And when interview no, I say as though I'm on the futu as though you're useless. Now they don't TV man carrier. Now can be the Obiama that time. Obiama went man you Obiama carrier because now the futu and a blessing. Because or experience. They are looking back because it's shit. My mistake. Like way. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Exercise. You should feel say me nipa way or you good. It's me decide way kakra catch na. And that one am my head be better. But also mean you're smart. You want musicians who are smart. Also mean you're smart. One shatter. Yeah. Like
you see, this is what it bring the confusion. Oh. TikTok day in way you know column. You some foolish guy they come and say TikTok in time past. Kwasia. Some years ago Bandana from Ghana. In time no pass. You no go hide. You no go steal people phones for so many months where he come back again. You know who in time pass? The person where he died. That be the person where in time pass for this world inside. Kwasia, if you dey follow artists, you be stupid. You don't get sense. You didn't say in time pass. So what? So if in time pass somebody get right to disrespect them, you don't understand me? So if you did the way you fool, you don't get sense. You dey talk Jimmy say in time pass. That's it, Mosi. Me I know the man you see say why Ghanaians so you fool. Your life no they move forward. Where you did no there no you did. Why? Because you know they learn. You be Jimmy, you fool. You know they respect elders. If somebody there ahead of you, forgive them some respect. TikTok, you know the hunger. I come and do TikTok today. TikTok, you know the hunger. You know go beg you for anything. If they drive better car, if you don't know, go ask. You get biggest club for Kumasi, or you don't know that one too. You understand me? You get biggest DT for Kumasi. Go check about TikTok, what TikTok do give in life. Don't just sit down, you fool. You dey follow blind. So just say they say this thing, so you don't get sense. Say you go learn something. You understand me? So if you can't date that way, you dey talk say somebody in time pass. You know who in time pass? You know who way in time pass? Person way die. He in time pass. But as far as you get life, where you dey live for this world, your time no go fit pass. If you know song inside, you know Gully Bob for Jamaica. If you don't know, go Google am. Old man, Tito finish. But now they chop glory. He never give up for life inside. So who way they comment say in time pass? Kwasia, you know who in time pass? You Jimmy self, you know get why you go chop self. You self, you don't take it say your time pass. Then TikTok. You if they self, what you go chop self be problem give you. Maybe they room plus 5 boys. You self, you don't talk say your time pass. What TikTok achieve for in life? You achieve some. And they ask you, what TikTok you achieve for in life inside? You the comment say time pass, you achieve before. You don't get nothing. You there the boys no chop, you no chop. Cause see they follow blind. So if they talk say TikTok, this is what he bring the fight. This be all the confusion. If you bandana way start all this thing. They talk say this. Make I tell you something, Make I tell you something. You there, you there, no. You dey do John life, you dey follow. I be arrive for my water. For life, you know chop. For life, what you go chop self, if the problem give you, you don't get what you go chop. You there, the boys no buy, you don't go chop. You there, they do for life is for life. For life, you go die where we go come bury you. Ankotoku to what? You go die where we go come bury you. So that's what it bring the fight between TikTok then this thing. Me, I know they fear you. If you want me to call you live video, I go call you then express your mind. You understand me? Bandana move the warrior. You know the rule nobody be the only SM people they rule. You TikTok one show am no. You understand me? If you only this thing, it the rule, not the rule nobody. So that's what it is inside. This be TikTok, but then do no bandana. You get more. If you go do some give TikTok. I see some stuff they say shame on you. Where they say bandana do some give TikTok. But the song inside, I hear some place bandana they talk say somebody say in militant no go hit. Where they hit. Bandana the song inside. Bandana the song me all the time I talk say the militants they no get talent, you know they go hit. So if that shame on you, you dey talk say now we see say the militant they no hit oh. Where hit song them get. They no dey play any show. They dey do nothing. Capreco, Captain, you no get car. Bandana and mother get car. She go to pick Captain. Captain no get car. Then sign you to record label, you no get car. You say for life is for life. You there, you no get car oh. Bandana and mother get Kia. You go there, you say I be artist, I be for life, then sign you. Come on car. Tico self, you no get Tico. Come on Tico, you no get. But bandana and mother they drive Kia. You go there, bus stop, they pick trotro. Where she go to come pass you go to rain, you there, they say for life is for life. I dey beg you. Moku go commercial break, Moku listen to the latest song. One Plate featuring Rashid Meta and Kofi Swag. Dance for me. Da. Rashid Meta, OBF. Sit down, New York team. One Plate. Yourself and fire there. That's for me, my baby. No could go see something from Sikeka. That's for me, man. This. Move your waist. That's for me, my baby. Go down low.
Low battery.
Oh. Charlie. That be what today is, sir. You don't understand me? Charlie, make you forget about those people. Make you no reply them at the bed. The people they comment dog them. Make you no listen to them. Yo, Nelson, what's up? Naswale, what I do? Oh, my Bluetooth will go low battery. Mami SMS, I see you. Oh yeah, who are we know? So that be the 3 days, sir. If you want share your mind, me I go call you. You go fit talk anything you want talk. Me I go call you. You understand me? This be where the fight. See, make I tell you post something. Make I tell you post something. Nelson, forget about my people. My people, this why be play. Oh. We go talk on our mind. Don't take anything personal. I dey talk on live video with chewing gum. Why? It be forbidden say make I no chew chewing gum. It be my mouth. I go feel if I like so I go eat. This no be radio station, oh. This be live video. I go feel do live they eat. Where the chewing gum at the chop, you know be baller chewing gum. You see them? It be blue. You know be green, you know be white, oh. I go feel do live video self chop. What thing concern me? Or you they pay me? What are they want I go do? This is my platform. I love to go day blanket and that self do live video. You understand me? So that's what it is inside. Where the thing they start to. This is all the thing where they bring the fight. All the time, bandana. He they do this, he they do that. Yo, hello? I bet your network no good, make you no time say make I call you. No, we go talk about the present matter. We go calm down, and that will be different program. Nana Master too. They said no, this be Facebook Live. You know, be radio station top a day. I had an interview any professional this thing be Fuzzy Brown, I no go feel call you take off. You are not in my friends list. I dey beg you, I no feel call you. Good Romeo, I see you. I beg, I no go feel call you. So that be the thing in day side. This is the reason. See, we all want move the industry forward. You understand me? But how the industry go move forward? If the upcoming artists no they respect the old ones. If the old ones, the people that get a platform, no they help the upcoming artists. How the industry go feel move forward? You understand me? Anywhere Nigeria self they fight. Jamaica self they fight. America yesterday they fight. You understand me? But that fight, you know, you must not be some type of fight where you know the one see say your friend go hit. You know the one see say your friend son go move forward. That be not what we want. You understand me? We want fight where we go move the industry, go making the industry go forward. Charlie, you know they my friends listen, so I don't go feel call you. You understand me? Industry where go move the Ghana music up, you know. That be what we want. You know be that industry where they go feel move the industry. Hello?
Yeah, big brother.
What's up, General? Charlie?
Yeah, everything is
Ghana
cool.
Ghana far from
America.
oh.
Yeah, it's true, it's true. I know that everything you say is true, you know. You keep on pushing the underground musicians, and everything you talk makes sense, big brother, you understand? So you're also pushing you forward for you to bring all the right that we need outside. You know, respect is always a respect, and it's good to respect who is ahead of you. If you get money, that doesn't mean don't respect your father, your brother who is ahead of you. And always respect someone who laid the path before you come. You know, this hip life and this high life, they have the leaders. And everything that you are saying is right. We really appreciate everything that you do, you know. And
all right.
You've been making sense all the time. Yeah, we really appreciate that. Bandana issue, you know, bandana. There are different type of people in this world. Some people are hype. They are like, when they have money, they used to forget what they've been through. Do you get me? This situation that maybe TikTok is there, TikTok or what is his name? Bandana have been through. Bandana bring Bandana from Ghana. He came almost some years back. We never see Bandana again. Maybe TikTok can also bounce back again to come and take the lead. But sometimes,
most definitely, it's possible. It's possible. You go feel bounce back, they can't take again. That's music.
But sometimes Bandana, though we can't insult him, but he need to give himself respect and give the leaders respect. Do you get me? Sometimes what I like about Sarkodie is though we all love music. I like music. We listen to good music, not the type of person. Do you get me? It's like football. When someone plays good, you like him. It's not about how this is team. It's like that. If Bandana bring good music, we accept. But if he make mistake, we need to tell him that, oh, Bandana, this thing that you make is not right.
Thank you. Most definitely.
And you are very a model. You know, you've been paving way for the music industry. Though life is like that. If you talk true, not everyone will like you, but the truth ones will like you for the truth you are saying. But I really appreciate that. You know.
Okay.
You are a big brother. And may God bless you. They said if you are doing good, don't listen to what people say about you.
May Allah bless we all.
Hitting to your straight. The D Nation, man. The D Nation, man. It's because you are fanboy, you know. It's fanboy. You not see someone who.
This one they be fanboy matter. And they beg, go make somebody come. People they want make the come. Thank you.
Okay, go make some. Okay. Thank you, man.
This one no be fanboy matter. I dey beg. I dey wear the fanboy matter. Make you don't tell me fanboy. Fanboy, you don't go tell fanboy.
You say waiting. Canada moi, Allah Canada moi, rough. Tell it now the music self make you hear. Make you play the Stonebwoy music make you hear. Canada moi, rough.
Charlie.
Hey,
Ana jinda di kabar kawo
ba tanshi bane ni ina dariya ni kasan nage amma wani nace dan dariya bari je connect gangan dame shi sanan trauma wannan ni samu BP Allah kiyaye amma it's good amma da shit metal chale kasa wana ya lean back too much ni na ga ya lean back too much kasa sometimes gayu
no industry nani kaga come on good people now but to some push the bad ones always get the push kaga remi
wannan barin ga ma security nake cikin kasan su shatan da suke fiton da amma she su sai da su akai bisa na she suna wannan keta kagan abin nan ne ba Rashid mental kana da gayu kana da komai ke maka course in ka course an jika attention ni ka play foul ke maka kai bisa nan amma kai kaman good boy wani yazo ya kama kai jakan nan bai yi ke ba ga bin wangai ba shata ke yin ba ko Stonebwoy mai na yin amma shi na yin shi light one ni kasan shi ya share throw amma kana yin good music yanzu ba cin good music kana cin controversy it comes with controversy ka understand ai Italy kowa ya san ka mu jama muke amma Italy kowa call na from Italy duka kaji kaman dality masa go Lagos now
But dality nation we are global.
Yes, I've been thinking yayi hard ba fada ba komi amma lyrical stubbornness ni ka throw me shi kuma ta ka shike na ka wuce kenan amma la kai good boy dey be yi ni dan shiga
the thing wey dey your neck be original Gucci or be fake
wallahi original German fake dey man if you US dey o German you too we dey for what you dey talk hey that is
you see say worry you never dey come.
Stop that thing. Hey, stop that thing. Me at the enter class. Bye.
Okay. I mean, say you go follow me. We are going to give you BPO. If you did that, you say you go throw virus. Me, I be king of virus. Me, I did. I know they care about you. Yo, Ambo Bravo, I see you, my brother. Hello. Oh, my brother, your internet no good. It not be you. Nana Akufo-Addo no freeze the internet. The internet no good. I call you see. You know the feet talk. You know they hear you. Internet no good. No good. Thank you. Mohamed Nazir, General, see you. Obahima Nana Brukutu. How are you? Ohima Bakupe me arrangement pay. You want the DNC t-shirt, or they go come make you no worry. You see, that DNC we global, we there everywhere. We be true with the talk. At the beg, I get like, I mean, make I check how many minutes I get. Make I go, you know, say, America we do now. We know to do video 1 hour than things. You unless if you go do video 1 hour than things, I come back do. You must go do something small, get money. So I beg you people make I see how many minutes I get. I know they want. Okay, I get like more 10 minutes. 10 minutes to go. I beg my t-shirt, you know, come Ghana yet too. If you come Ghana, you go get them. Success dinero, I see you. I tell you people. I come Worcester. Rocky, Club Rocky, every Thursday. You dey Worcester. If you dey Worcester, that is the nation they bring you peaches and cream every Thursday for Club Rookie or Rocky or whatever they call them. I go make the commercial they put for there. This Thursday go happen for Worcester Live. Yo, increase one. I call you. Your link no good. Your internet no good. Go Flagstaff House. Then get Wi-Fi. Then make I call you. And they call you. They make black. So you make I go pin yourself. I call you. This thing no good. Hey, Dubai people, you to wait. Challenge, so that be what it is inside my people. This be the fight between Bandana then TikTok. If the Bandana you go talk bad about TikTok for delay in show talk. Where now where TikTok get a platform, where reply Bandana. You understand me? So you the SM people know, we know say they love your SM. But sometimes you need to make some research before you go come attack somebody. Sometimes you need to think before you go attack somebody. You understand me? We did there, no. And make I tell you something. I want to tell you something. We the life we live right now, no. Yeah? If God give us money, where He give us house, it be bonus give we. I know say more people they say, oh, this dirty boy be aimless. My man, me my aim no be say make I come build house, then buy cars. So my aim is to do good and go to heaven. Because if I build 10 million house, I buy 20 million cars, one day I go die live. Where the God of all gods, He go destroy all the houses and the cars where I build. What I chop, put for my stomach inside. That be what if I die, I go take go. You know be what I do for this world inside. So me, the level where I reach right now, my aim is not to come and buy houses, buy cars. My aim is to go to heaven. If everything in this world go come to an end, my brother, heaven, there's no turning back. Oh, there'll be forever and ever. So if you did the way the figure say, Dality, if God give me house or He give me car, it be bonus give me. I go say Alhamdulillah. If today God call me, tell me, say, Dality, you die, you go heaven. I go tell God, say, why? What are they wait for this earth inside? Kill me now, make I go. Make I go chop every chicken. You know, be anything go can do. But we get plot self, foundation self here in 2 years. King, court, hey, then call me self, dash me 1 acre plot. Me then you they talk. If you do, I go show you who dash me. If you want king, for this live video, you call me, dash me 1 plot acre. I know foundation self, I don't care about that thing. My mother, she died. My mother, he no build house, so his mother build house, give my mother. Ask yourself what my mother did. 2 years this, she died. The house where they fight for top, no? She died go. She did ground, if she then God right now. So if God give you car, he give you house. My brother, thank God, oh, it be bonus. You know, the only house, the car alone be blessed, you know. How your celebrities, they buy car, they buy house, they take, they make more. Where Naira Power Day? Ask yourself. Ghana or we are about town. They buy trailers. Trailers upon trailers. Today, go see. It be only the white cloth where they put down for ground. All the houses we buy, the children where they enjoy them. You know what they see for engraved inside? You don't know. It be only God. So that kind of things where they get, they look down upon people. You see, God say, God bless you small. Then they talk shit. You forget death. You forget say you go die. You forget say one day the end of death go knock your door. That day, no. That your mansion, no. You know go be your own again, no. That your car. You they take the flex, you know. They don't go put you for inside, though. It be ambulance. You know ambulance? That coffin car, ambulance, that car, no. He go can't take you go. They don't go put you for your Ferrari, then your Benz, then your Range Rover inside, though. You understand me? They don't go put you for all that thing inside. So today, if God bless you, don't look down upon your friend. Don't look down because say today I date up. Before there was somebody, before you come. The beginning, it wasn't you, somebody there. Before you come. Ask yourself, say, who will bring dancehall? Who will bring hip hop? Who will bring high life, hip life? Where are those people who brought that? My paddy, I be man go say Jibody. Samuel Kuri. Relax, be patient. God time is the best. So that's what they tell you. That's what they tell you, my brother. Me, Dality Nation, me, I don't care who. If I come today, I don't go sleep outside. I don't be bored at top, I go sleep. Oh. If I come Ghana today, I go chop. If I come Ghana today, I go drive. You know, that won't be my problem. Oh. The life where I pass. The life where I pass inside. Jade we dey, eh? This be Facebook. Don't take things for Facebook personal. Bandana, you dey there, you be my friend. Bandana from you be my friend. You be yesterday for back. You understand me? Okay, let's say Terrible Chaka die. Bandana, you be my friend. So if you did the way they take Facebook something fresh, make I tell you something. We did cold weather inside. So this is the time we dey put the pokle, then the things for our body make look fresh. So if I come live here top where I be fresh, make you no worry. Me I don't be ugly boy. Oh. For my mother's stomach, I be nice boy. Just say now I dey Ghana no. Hey. If you are not she now when we carry away, we started we dey put to clear the things small way, which we make life things small. So Charlie, my people, that be the thing we man. Kwame, mini penusu wo man on them man. That be the thing between Shatawale, Bandana, then this thing. Bandana go delay show top, where you go insult TikTok, then Exdo, it disrespect, you know, more people. When now TikTok get time, you understand me, where you talk in mind. So this one no be fight. So tell Bandana the song you go do, you know the one yam. Don't see the get out. Don't see the you footballer where you tell macho man. You get muscles past Hulk Hogan self. Don't see the you be footballer where you tell macho man. See your muscles. Charlie, my people, I beg you, thanks to everybody who really love the Dality Nation. I don't want to do 1 hour video. If you support me too, I support you. If you love me too, I love you. Anything way they do. Yeah? May Allah bless you. I beg you. Don't put jealousy and hatred for your heart inside, give your brother. You understand me? People say hard work pays. No. Your hard work don't pay. Allah blesses upon everybody. When Allah bless you, you know be your hard work. You understand me? Before I go, you the Sakara boys, you know. Where now nothing to go and give you people. Where you dey Facebook, you dey quote Quran, Bible. You dey quote Bible, then Quran like you be Malam, then pastors, no. If Allah bless you, then you can't write for them. Hard work and determination. Hard work pays. Master, hard work no they pay. Oh. It be God will bless you. Instead of you to come and give thanks and glory to Allah, God, you know, they go can't talk say enemies no be God. Hard work pay. That time you broke, no, you don't know any enemy, so you don't talk about any enemy. But now God bless you. Then you start to talk Cassandra. God man no be God. Enemies no be God. Enemies be this. Enemies be that. But now you don't hung, you don't get enemy. So if you say you get enemy, you don't go get Gary chop. You don't go get place sleep. Now God bless you. You say hard work and determination. Then they talk about enemies. The same way now you quote about God. God this thing. You quote the Bible, you quote the Quran. If Allah bless you, can't give thanks to Allah the same way for Facebook talk. We dey see people all. Make you can't talk enemies no be God. Enemies no be this thing. Enemies no be. Stop that. Okay, Shaibu Aruna, I see you. May Allah bless you people who support Directing Nation, Directing Movement. You understand me? We be about music. You understand me? We be music we dey do. So make I tell you something. Nobody they share music past me. If you know somebody for Facebook where they share music past, you see, you people there, you know they like peace. Make I talk this thing. If I can't quote God words in there, you see people they like the thing. 100, 110, 80, then things. If I put song for them, yeah, people go like them 200 and things. If I talk shit, people they like them 300 and things. If I can't talk God, it matter for my WhatsApp. People go say, hey. If I can't talk about music, hey, what you want make I do, you people? Yeah? What you want make I do, you people? Now they like Pastor Semo. I dey beg. Me, I dey pray give you anytime I say prayer. So if you do the pray give me. You understand me? May Allah bless you people or anywhere you dey. Yeah? Fanboy, we don't chop fanboy. It be money with the set. So if you get money, call me then give me some. If I come Ghana, you see me, I dey beg. Call me then take me go where they sell cocote, then buy me cocote, some make a chop. Yo, Lizzie Araba Joy, I see you. You understand me? Mami, I see you. You good Romeo. God bless you people. Pamela. Anywhere you dey. Increase one. Me, I don't know why I try to call you. I know come. Harris Clark, man. Fanboy know they pay bills. Tell them. America we they pay when I bills every month. We they buy groceries, we they pay card, we they pay electricity, they pay heat. So fanboy know they pay bills. So if you can't do fanboy for my Facebook talk, my email is my party, me I don't get time. But you don't get money, don't contact me. I don't need the money. Yo, Ernest Busuntri, Charlie Ade. Merci. Ozana, I don't go mind them. Me, I forget themselves. Hey, Santel, this was Caesar, Baloni, Jade with day, yeah? May Allah bless you people. My time reach, I go, safe, yeah? The rest of the team go continue for my WhatsApp. Onassis K. Ado. Hey, Charlie, some names today Facebook. Oh. I know if you mention self. Yo, Danny Murphy, on top. Bilal Young. Much respect, yeah? Anybody where they support the Directing Movement from day one, from the get-go, may Allah bless you people. Anywhere they get chopped, may Allah increase the blessing for them. Anywhere they sleep, may Allah bless that place. The people where they want to travel, come America, go Europe, go Asia, may Allah open the doors, give you people where make you people travel. The people too where they travel, come America, Europe, Asia, anywhere they do where they search for money, may Allah bless them and hustle. The people where they outside the country, they need papers. May Allah give them papers. The people too where they get papers, may Allah give them good place. May Allah make them alive go on well with them. If you they search married, may Allah bless you with a good wife or good husband. If you they under married, may Allah bless your home. If you they want kiddie, may Allah bless you with kids. The people too where they get kids where they want more, may Allah bless them. When our brothers, when our sisters where they die, where they go, when our mothers, may they also rest in peace. May Allah bless you people anywhere you day. Amen, Suma, Amen. I'm out.